Hello guys, so today we will be learning how to make simple backdrops in Scratch. So let's begin. So in here you will get choose a backdrop and select the paintbrush icon, and then it will take you to a blank costume. Now just draw your backdrop. I will show you a simple backdrop. So just choose blue sky. For the sky, just choose the blue and square and just do it a square. And select that and make this to no outline, so the outline doesn't come. Wait, I'm just gonna hide this. Okay, now let's make the grass. So for the grass I used dark green, so I will put the dark green now. Yes, now choose the square and put up and set it properly. So it's nature, but we don't have rocks, pond and all. So let's get a circle and change this to cement color. After you make that, draw circles so it looks like rocks. So I'll draw one more circle and make this go back a bit. And let's make the pond now. For the pond, I choose the circle and make this to blue. I make this to blue and draw a circle here. So I'll draw a circle so it looks like a little pond. Now you can use the circle of yellow at the top for the sun. So I'll choose the yellow. Oh, sorry. Yellow circle. And I put the circle at the top. And make this a little short. And put this right here. So the outdoor backdrop is ready. Now let's make an indoor backdrop. For the indoor backdrop, I suggest a brown wall and a cemented floor. So I put up a brown wall. So I choose a brown wall. Select the color brown. After you select the brown, draw a rectangle or a square at the top. I'll make this a little bit brown. Okay, yeah. And now let's use cement color to make the floor. And guys, just make this no outline, so the outline does not come. If I select the outline, I'll select this, and if I select the outline, an outline comes out at the border, so I don't want the outline, so I press no outline. And I suggest to add small light rectangles to make it as bricks. So make this a little bit light. Make this light and draw some like this anywhere you want. You can also make bushes in a nature backdrop by just scribbling with the paint. So I just choose the paint and the green and make this a little bit dark. And in the paint I'll scribble some lines like this. And I'll fill with color everywhere. So this looks like a bush. Oh, I'll just make this the brown. Let's make this the blue, guys. So be careful while doing. Yes. I'll make this a little bit lighter. Make it correctly, guys. So after that, just position your bush, and I'll position it over here. And I don't want a bush, so I'll just delete that. If you want bushes, if you are doing a forest scene, you can just add bushes and scribble down like trees. So this is how to make simple backdrops. So you can make any backdrop you want by seeing this video. Subscribe for more upcoming videos, and for now, bye.